Every day them say them a clean up dancehall. Like me never know dancehall got housekeeper.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, Gage, this Bounty Killer wicked. The man say him want to be the dancehall maid. All of that and more coming up, you know what I mean?
This day in my hand, me never rest it on the board.
You know when you know the K attack and you catch your prey. Make sure you subscribe to Chaddy Murray TV. Comment, like and share. You know, so if you click the notification bell because it's right there. I'm out.
So people, we all know when you're talking about Gage and creativity, that's him. When you're talking about Gage and know how to write a good song, that's Gage. When you're talking about Gage, you have to involve him name with body. You see me? And in another song here, when him where you there with, definitely in display that. You see me? So the man shoot off a portion a dancehall artist, included Bounty Killer. You see me? And him touch over the unruly side too. But make we start off the song. Because we are going to review it now. Right? So here the intro. Yeah.
Let's pray for the people that we just lost.
Hey, Portmore, what you're there with? Hey, Spain Town, what you're there with? 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 So them a cut above the rest, well we a chop above the rest and everything. Me spit a shot and it a chop up any vest. Hey, me a pen, what you're there with?
So people, Gage big up a portion of place, you see me, included Maypen, cause you know say, a Maypen Gage forward from Maypen a Gage place, you see me. So he must say he's a cut above the rest, meaning, yo, you see Gage him in one class, different from the other artists them, you see me. And people, we all know that, you know, Gage displayed that in a previous song countless time, you see me. It's just that, me no know what, to tell you the truth, but to me, Gage in the top 5 as baddest artists. You see me? As baddest dancehall artists right now. Believe it or agree with me if you want to agree with me. You see me? But Gage, a bad artist. I don't know I go hear it in another song here. Where you there with?
ATG, what you there with? Place I get shake up, that's your formula and remedy. Then we pick up gunshot if them try to be the enemy. Not a blood clot, no Dan can send for me. From me touch the stage show, you know a different energy.
So Gage say, him a go shake up dancehall. You see me? Him a go shake up dancehall. So anybody in a dancehall right now will claim say them are the man or them are the top man who no fi beware. Because Gage a go shake up dancehall. The man say him dash with the formula and the remedy. But to me still, people better say yo, the formula kinda done. How would it say them have the formula? Me no know. But Gage, oh it sound like say, yeah shoot off a Ja Vinci as well, so. Remember say a Ja Vinci say, me just get the remedy for the pagan them. Me no know. I know that I want bad song still, but me know say boom a shot in a alkaline head.
Hey uptown, what you there with? Hey downtown, what you there with? Them say them things shot well, we done a clip. And when no press button by the bag, we get zip. Pull up in your place in our broad spaceship. Now every man a move like them get noticed, dog. Yo, my beer, what you there with?
So Gage say, him a go pull up at your place in our big spaceship. You see me? You know one of them fat right there. Him a not roll out in a no Tida, no common assault car. No car where people a look out for you. How would a car there? How would a tilt up Tida there? How would a tilt up Corolla there? No, him a roll out in a style, in a fat spaceship. You see me? And you see when him pull up, everybody have to move like say, yo, you know when landlord forward for them rent, and you have to move and a move and a move and a go for money there, so. Yeah, as so, when Gage circle ends, you have to move. You see me like you get notice. But nobody feel like say a money you can't give man. Say, dog, no do me nothing. Dog, no drop me. It's too late for that. You see me? So you have to get move like you get notice. And no feel like say, you go move out of your house and go back in all one next 2-bedroom house. You go in a permanent 1 room, 6'6". You know what I talk about, Don? Where you there with?
Orange Jill, what you dead with? Say coming a richer, that's why me poor lyrics. Well, them might have a pint, but it just not stick. Them a talk about them not switch, I talk about them not switch. I just shoot them not rich, them the yes about.
This is what I want to ask the viewers and subscribers them. You don't like that style of Gage give it? Because if you notice that this is not really an authentic dancehall style. Yes, he's a dancehall artist, but he more go like pan a rap beat, you see me? And give them one like a rap flow. You see me? And to me, it bad. And to me, it a work for him. But more know you no think. You no like them style from Gage and people. Me feel like said that youth here, as what me say in the beginning, you know. I one of the top 5 act them in a dancehall, you know. I one of the top 5 most talented dancehall artists, you know. But me no know why. Me no know why it come like say somebody lock one gate pan him and last the key. And me feel say Gage kick it down. You see, for next year, this is one artist we have to look out for. Because Gage, I go kick down that door there. Where you dead there with.
You know long them there, when them a cuss we for. From 19 how long you notice how we just reach her. Every day them say them a clean up dancehall. Like me never know dancehall got housekeeper.
So right now, you can see say Gage fed up at it. You can see say Gage fed up at the whole world down thing. You see me? So the man say bounty killer. Cause a bounty killer I'm a talk, you know. Nobody can tell me say Anna Rodney Price, you know. Him a talk right there, say, you know. I say them a dancehall. Them a go on like say them a dancehall gatekeeper and dancehall maid, you know. So here what me I say. The man want bounty killer for allow the youths them make them express themselves. You see me? Because watch you know. You see in a bounty killer days, nobody never did tell bounty killer how for DJ what to say, what to do. Nah, nothing like that, you know. The man I say, bounty killer forward. After bounty killer done dirty up dancehall already, you know. Remember, said the bounty killer do all of these bad songs, all of these gunman songs. And yeah, him reach up in a age now, so him want turn a different sheet. No true you want turn a different sheet and turn a different page. That no said the whole of dancehall for follow back how you, who you bounty killer. At that Gage I say right there, so you know. So the man I say, yo, yeah, go on like say yeah, dancehall made. When dancehall never requested a housekeeper, dancehall never want no maid. You see me? So oh, you take up me a take upon your hand, bounty killer. That Gage just say no people, and no me say so, you see me? Gage just say so. But me not tell no lie still. Gage have a point. Me feel like say the elders them, follow the youths them, make them express themselves. Remember, you know, this is just like a generation gap. It's a new generation a turnover now. You notice you have some different crop of artists. And in each generation, the previous generation never like the following generation. Because me can bet say, you see, in a Bob Marley days, me can bet say, yo, when Buju Banton arise, Bob Marley, well, probably Bob Marley did dead, you know. People, me don't know history that much. But in a them old artists days, me can bet, say the following set of artists them never like where the following set of artists them a do. You see me? If you don't understand. Alright, watch you know. You see, cause me can talk from where me born. Me born, come see, Bounty and Beanie them. You see, after Bounty and Beanie them, you have Vybz Kartel. And look how much people did I say, yo, Vybz Kartel, I do so much gun tune and all these things. Then, after Vybz Kartel, to me right now, Alkaline them. So, Alkaline era. So, the people them will rate Vybz Kartel, no rate Alkaline. You see me? So, it's just like a generation, a gap. You see me? And then you have some other crop of artists, you know, we forward out and I kill Alkaline if him still dead to the top. See him way. You see me? So, at that Gage I try say, wanna get it?
Bad a yard, oh you fit bad a road. This stain on my hand, me never rest it on the board. Turn up the shock wave, make it echo all about. Is the reason them not interested, forget me out like.
So, Jaffras have one song we say Panny Board. Ashgrave near everything Panny Board. Where the man outline everything where I put on Panny Board. Including him gun. You see me? So right now, Gage just say, yo, this stain on me hand, me never put it on the board. You mad? How we are the youth? You know say, you have to keep strap at all times. Why the man got so booms and fling a shot over Unruly Part 2? Me no know. People, how that song has sound so far?
Vex for no one, but the heroes them dead for nothing. The same door them fight for close at them, the door them open. Say me not down with that, can see me up to something. So no feel no way when people like them, they say them they love you.
So people, that's what you dead there with. You see me? Me I go post the link in the description. or me I go pin it in the comment section. So just look out for it somewhere about there. So you can run, go listen to the full song. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, me have a live show I keep this and every Monday. So today is a Sunday. So tomorrow is a Monday. So that's me now be streaming live. You see me? So come check me out. 8 o'clock Jamaica time. 8 o'clock foreign Miami? Me no know. But 8 o'clock Jamaica time. So just match it with Jamaica time and come check out Chaddy Murray TV. I stream live. You see me? And don't forget to tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Make we have a discussion. You feel like say that song you bad or you feel like say that song you foolish? You see me? Just tell me in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. What you there with?
See the reason them judge you, are the reason why them grudge you. But tell them pull up, cause they clip them bend up like double. Your options limited when you pull up, so what you gonna do? And we no come for take no lot of shots, it's not a photo.